to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. Hey friends, this is Run to the Father in the key of C, and this is a really simple way to chord and sing along. I hope you love it. Make sure to stop the video. If you do click on the description below, you will find the link to the chord sheet, and it'll make a lot more sense as we dive in, okay? All right, so it just has some simple chords. We have F, G, A minor, C, and D, okay? I should say it's D minor. Okay, so let's go look for this group of 3 black notes, and the F is to the left of all those, and we're gonna play every other note, and that's F, A, C. That makes up that F major chord you see on the chord sheet, okay? Then we're just gonna move up one set of notes with all those fingers, and we're in the G chord position. So we have G, B, D. That's our G major chord. Okay, move up again, A minor position, A, C, E. Okay, and then skip one and then go to the C chord here, C, E, G, C major, and then our last chord is our D minor. So right next door, D, F, A. Okay, so those 5 chords reviewed is F chord, G, A minor, skip one, C, and then our D minor. All right, so that's it. Okay, left hand, I'm gonna probably put pinky on F, line up these 5 fingers and keep this hand parked, the whole song. So when we play F single note, we're gonna play F chord up here. I'm just gonna play single notes down here to keep it simple. Okay, then we have G to G, A minor to A in the bass, C to C, and then when we play that D minor, I'm just gonna open up this thumb one note. Don't move your hand out of position, then you'll lose where you're at. So just play D and then come back into the position, okay? D to D. All right, so I'm gonna play and sing through verse 1 with the vocals so you can see what it sounds like when we add in the rhythm, and then we'll break down the rhythm for you, okay? I've carried a burden for too long on my own. I wasn't created to bear it alone. I hear your invitation to let it all go. I see it now, I'm laying it down, and I know that I need you. All right. So what we're doing to bring the 2 hands together is a simple rhythm I call 1-to-2 ratio. This song is 6-8 time signatures, so it's kind of have a little bit of a syncopated rhythm, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, kind of a little swing to it. So you're going to kind of have to like ease into the chord. It's not going to be this perfect marching rhythm where it's just like really marchy sounding. So I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're just practicing this on a C chord. So we're going to go together, then just the right hand. Together, right, together, right, together, right. And you could practice that on any of these chords that are in this song just to get your hand used to playing that nice marching rhythm. It just gives you a good foundation to start. Okay. All right, so let's go through that. I just want to stop and talk about patterns for just a minute. So verse 1 has the chords repeating. So it has C, D minor, A minor, F. Repeat. C, D minor, A minor, F. C, D minor, A minor, F. And then the last line just throws in that G. But if you look at the chorus, we have C, D minor, A minor, F. C, D minor, A minor, F. Okay, looks like verse 1, 2, chorus is the same way. Let's see, interlude there is the same. And let's take a look at that bridge. It just has 4 chords repeating for the most part, it looks like. Yeah, A minor, F, C, G. A minor, F, C, G. So if you take some time and just go through the right hand only with those chords, going through those 4 chord progressions, that'll help kind of keep it simplified for you to notice that there is a lot of repetition going on in a lot of these songs that we teach. All right, let's go through verse 1 together, 2 hands together, or you could just do right hand with me, okay? So it kind of has a little bit of a delayed feel, like, boom, I've carried a burden for too long on my own. Okay, here we go. I've carried a D minor, burden, A minor, for too long on my F. Oh, repeat. I wasn't greedy. Notice I'm just opening this thumb here. Aided, A minor, to bury a F. Lone, repeat. I hear your D minor, invitation, A minor, to let it all F go. I see it, C. Now I'm laying it, D minor, down, and I know that A minor, here we're going to block chord through them. So we're going to go need you. Okay, just 1-to-1 ratio. You're just going, I need you. I run to the, okay, same 4-chord progression coming up on that chorus. I run to the Father. I fall into D minor, grace. I'm done with the A minor, hiding, no reason to F, wait. My heart needs a C, surgeon. My soul needs a D minor, friend. So I'll run to the A minor, Father, again and a F, again and again and again. Okay, then it goes to verse 2, which is the same as verse 1. That interlude sometimes comes after that chorus, so you can kind of keep going with that C, D minor, A minor, F chords, and you go, oh, oh, again and again and again and again, oh, 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 again and again. Okay, so that's that little interlude. So you can go back to that if you kind of want to watch me go through that. It's the same 4 chords. It's just got a little bit of a delayed, rhythm with that 6/8 time signature. All right, let's take a look at this bridge. So now we're switching gears. We're going to go into this A minor, F, C, G chord progression, okay? My heart has been in your sights long before C, my first G breath, running in A minor to your F, arms is running to C, life from G. I feel this A minor rush deep in my F chest, your mercy is C, calling G out, just as I A minor am, you pull me F in, and I know C, I need you now. I run to the Father, fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs, and then you can kind of pick up that rhythm a little bit if you want. Sometimes it's fun to kind of break it up a little bit and just kind of go that 1-to-1 ratio. Done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend, and then kind of pick it up a little bit. All right, so break it up into sections. Go back to the beginning if you need a little help. I'm going to play it beginning to end so you can sing and play along with me and have a lot of fun. Here you go. I've carried a burden too long on my own. I wasn't created to bear it alone. I hear your invitation to let it all go. I see it now, I'm laying it down, and I know that I need you. You saw my condition, had a plan from the start. Your son for redemption, the price for my heart. I don't have a context for that kind of love. I don't understand, I can't comprehend. All I know is I need you. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, again and again and again and again. My heart has been in your sights long before my first breath. Running into your arms is running to life from death. I feel this rush deep in my chest. Your mercy is calling out. Just as I am, you pull me in, and I know I need you now. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul needs a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, again and again and again and again. Oh, oh, again and again and again and again. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart found a surgeon, my soul found a friend. So I'll run to the Father again and again and again and again. I run to the Father, I fall into grace. I'm done with the hiding, no reason to wait. My heart needs a surgeon, my soul